All right, Craig and Emma, thank you very much. Overall, not too bad out there this morning. Again, a lot of clear skies. You might notice some patchy fog, but it will be very hit and miss in a few spots. Observations haven't shown much fog this morning, so we should be okay. It shouldn't be anything widespread should we encounter that. But we're going to be watching our next system located right about in here, actually. And we're going to be watching this thing tracking off towards the east over time. And at least by tomorrow night through Friday, a wind shear mix switching over to rain will be expected with some warming temperatures that will also begin to move in. And I'm sure many of you have heard about the activity going on in parts of California with this area of low pressure right here and just flows of moisture moving in as well. Plenty of rain and snow in places that have seen just too much of it in a short amount of time. So moving forward, though, again for today here in our neck of the woods, a lot of sunshine, maybe a few passing clouds out there, but by tonight more clouds will approach ahead of our next system. And most of Thursday should be dry as clouds moving in and slight chances for snow later in the day. Better opportunities will move in later on as we head towards Thursday night and parts of Friday with some snow in areas. So it's switching over to rain with temperatures that will be rising over time. So the general idea looks a little bit like this. So the system will begin to move in. Here's 6 o'clock in the evening on Thursday. Most of this will start to move in. A little bit of a wind shear mix expected as we'll see some snow and some rain. We'll notice the transition line moving to the north, so we'll see this switching over to all rain with temperatures that could get close to 50 at times as we head towards your Friday and some gusty winds as well. But notice the timing of the system. A lot of this will be out of here by Saturday, so by Saturday afternoon, most of the activity will be out of the area and we'll be done with that overall. But more precipitation, again, at least this is going to count some of the melted down snow and all the rainfall expected to 1 to 2 inches of rain before we're all finished up. So looking pretty decent out there overall. And a little bit of snow in the northern ends of the state as well. Not so much for our neck of the woods, so maybe a few inches early before it all melts, and maybe a little bit more further off towards the north before some of that melts, of course, with the rising temperatures and the rainfall expected. Our average high temperature is 28 degrees for this time of the year. To switch over to temperatures real quick, we'll be in the upper 20s today, so right near average. Middle 30s Thursday, getting close to 50 degrees for your Friday, maybe falling just a little bit short, and cooling off again to the 20s and 30s moving forward for the next several days afterward. So your forecast for today, upper 20s, mostly sunny, north wind getting up to about 5 miles per hour. Later on tonight, 16 degrees, mostly cloudy, with the wind overall looking nice and calm. Looking ahead towards tomorrow, 34 degrees, mostly cloudy, a slight chance for snow later in the afternoon. Southeast wind at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Here's a look at your extended forecast. So our wind shear mix switches over to all rain for your Friday. Temperatures in the upper 40s. We start to dry out by Saturday. Mostly cloudy temperatures in the mid 30s. Upper 20s on Sunday with a mostly sunny sky.